Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to delete pen tool path in Photoshop. Let's begin. Example, select the pen tool and create path. Go to path selection tab or direct selection tab. This direct selection tab, right click, click the path corner, right click on your mouse, delete anchor point. See this. Right click, delete anchor point. And step 2, see this anchor point, click, delete, minus selection. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Right click, delete. Please like, comment, share.